Do you want Gmail notifications whenever an Instagram file is uploaded? Let me show you how to do it automatically using Zapier. In order to get started with this workflow, I need to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. I can create my Zap by typing in Instagram to Gmail on the main page. Then I'll click Try It to get started. The trigger screen will then pop up. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. The first time we set up Instagram, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. A link will pop up for you to log into your Instagram account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue with selected record and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is the task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Your event should already be chosen, so log into your Gmail account just like you did with your Instagram account. From there, we can start to assign our trigger apps data into the Action Apps fields. I can select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Let's check our Gmail account to make sure this worked. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever we upload a post to Instagram, we'll automatically receive a Gmail notification as well. I hope this was a helpful demo. And if Instagram and Gmail aren't your thing, Zapier helps anyone connect apps and automate work. No coding required. You can sign up and start for free.